There's no hard and fast rule when it comes to upping your curb appeal, but first impressions are everything. Today we're going to show you how coloring driveways and walkways is an easy and effective way to make your home stand out.
Curb appeal is tremendously important. It's always the first impression of a home, so it deserves proper attention. With so many homes, the first two elements that you see will be a driveway or a walkway. Yet these are often overlooked whenever people are redoing their spaces. It's incredible the difference that you can make with decorative concrete just by adding color to these two spaces.
Just ask homeowner Sherry Anderson, who knew she needed a change.
Well, we love our home. We knew ever since moving in that we wanted to update the front. With the amount of concrete with our two driveways and entryway, we knew that that was going to be the area for us to focus on initially.
So this project was very interesting. The home has somewhat of a modern vibe, but it was hidden behind very bland and boring concrete. We discussed several different options that would help bring this concrete to life, really by taking the modern design of the home and extending it to the curb. When we first saw the pictures of the Andersons' home, it was very clear to us that decorative concrete was going to make a huge impact on the look of their home.
What I love about what we do at Direct Colors is we get to introduce decorative concrete to so many people that don't realize this is a great option for making a home or making a business something special, a unique way to improve a space from a standpoint of floors, walls, countertops, patios, decks, anything you could think of. Restaurants use this, applications on sidewalks. Again, there's a great opportunity to take something where you typically walk on concrete, you see it everywhere you go, but yet you don't realize that you could take it and make it special. And what I love is that we offer so many different ways to make that happen. All the different colors, all the different solutions, all found in one place with some amazing project specialists that will really help guide you every single step of the way.
While researching our options for concrete applications, I went online and everywhere we looked, we would see Direct Colors. We were able to touch base with a product specialist with Direct Colors, and they were able to direct us to the best products and applications that best fit our needs.
I believe customers are interested in our products really for three primary reasons. One is selection. We have one of the largest selections available on the market for decorative concrete products, so we can sell into just about any project. Another thing is trust. We've been around for a long time, over 20 years. And with the presence, we've become very reputable in the business. We have thousands of five-star reviews. Customers trust what we do. And I would say a third component would be our service. The service side of the business is amazing. We have a customer support team that is second to none. We have project specialists with years of experience to help guide customers through the process. And we stay with them from beginning to end to make sure they get the job done right.
There are three main steps to every concrete project. The first is to assess and prep the concrete surface. For concrete that's in rough shape, can be ground down, sanded, or an overlay. For concrete that's in good condition, you can simply power wash it to remove any dirt and debris. Next is to apply the stain according to the manufacturer's recommended process. With Direct Colors, you can simply follow their how-to guides, which dictates either rolling it on or spraying it on. Last is to apply the number of recommended coats of sealer to protect your finish.
This has far exceeded all of my expectations. I love my new home. Thank you to Direct Colors for bringing a product that is as simple as staining your ugly gray concrete and beautifying an entire home with that.
With decorative concrete, the possibilities are infinite. And since concrete is the second most consumed product in the world after water, there are endless ways to take the bland and make it BAM. From patios, garages, driveways, to inside surfaces such as flooring, countertops, and walls, you're only limited by your imagination.